Emergency SOS is a security feature of an iPhone. However, sometimes iPhones stuck on emergency SOS arises in non-emergency scenarios, and users cannot manipulate their iPhones freely. Well, don't worry, we shall tell you why it happens and how to fix it efficaciously in this video. Part 1. Why is the iPhone stuck in SOS mode? Incorrect button presses, tapping power, volume up, and volume down together can trigger this issue. System glitches, unidentified software problems may lead to abnormal iPhone behavior. Jailbroken iPhone, errors during jailbreaking. Part 2. Possible fixes to iPhone stuck on emergency SOS. Fix 1. Charge your iPhone. In many instances, your device might get frozen when there's not enough power, and thus result in the iPhone stuck in emergency mode issue. To resolve it, you can try to turn off your iDevice and charge it. Fix 2. Update your iPhone in the recovery mode. Update iTunes. Connect iPhone via USB. Enter recovery mode. In iTunes, click Device, select Update, and wait. Fix 3. Restore iPhone with iTunes. Attach your iPhone to a computer with a USB cable. Open iTunes on this computer and tap the device avatar when it is recognized by the tool. Go for Summary Restore iPhone. Follow the direction to restore this device with iTunes. Fix 4. Factory reset iPhone using iCloud. Go to iCloud.com. Select Find My iPhone. Click All Devices. Pick your device. Choose Erase iPhone. Set up as new or restore from iCloud backup after erasure. Fix 5. Hard reset your iPhone. Force restarting your iPhone may help resolve system bugs or a software glitch that caused the critical situation. It won't result in data loss afterward. Fix 6. Ask Apple support for help. Visit support.apple.com. Describe issue. Choose Chat or Call for Apple support. Contact Apple Service Center with phone details. Visit nearest Apple Store for hardware or software check. Part 3. Fix iPhone stuck in emergency mode in an efficient way. In addition to taking several possible steps, including contacting Apple support, the most worthwhile solution is to use iOS system recovery. This is the most effective of all unofficial solutions. Detailed steps to fix iPhone stuck on emergency SOS with iOS system recovery. Step 1. Go to the iOS system recovery section. Step 2. Put your iPhone into DFU or recovery mode. Step 3. Fix iPhone stuck on emergency SOS.